So today, first of all, I create a table.
Mm-hmm.
Create roll number, space, and S name or okay, S name.
Mm-hmm.
S underscore name. And get full bracket and mail.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, right. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Bracket two bracket.
Mm-hmm.
CT. Okay, table is created.
Mm-hmm.
Now I input the record. Input into table name. Table name is
Mm-hmm.
value. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When input all values like roll number, name, course, mobile number,
Mm-hmm.
city, Delhi, bracket
Mm-hmm.
close. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Same as input another value.
Mm-hmm.
You can create table and input the values.
Yeah. So you want me do now?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
You
I'm
can.
trying. Yeah, I'm trying to get it.
Okay. So first of all, I complete it. Okay. if you want to display it. What happened? Show is not input.
Yeah,
Why?
I'm trying. Huh?
Select star from Kavita. Input into. What is this?
I think for the input, think that one is insert, right?
Yes. 1 minute, 1 minute. Mhm. Kavita. Okay. And then, oh,
Again, it's coming
not
in.
input.
Yeah,
Insert.
insert.
Insert into.
Mhm.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Understood. So you can create like this.
Uh-huh. So do you want me create right now or?
Yes. You can do it.
Okay.
Okay. Please share your screen.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. How to share this?
Uh, my screen is visible.
Uh,
In Skype screen, you
yeah.
have a button share screen.
Okay. Start sharing here, right? Okay.
Yes.
Are you
Yes.
getting it?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay.
You can use commit at the end of data input.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay, it's okay. Okay, nice. Suppose you want to input the value of only roll number and yes name, then
Roll number.
and name.
Uh, I don't know. Whatever you
Okay.
you did, I copied it.
Okay, okay, it's okay, no problem. You understood it? Uh,
I understand.
okay, okay, okay. So I share my screen. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose we want to input only roll number and name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So insert into table name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then bracket in bracket write the column name
Mm-hmm.
like roll number s underscore name space values for and okay one row inserted.
Mm-hmm. Insert Kavita roll number and surname.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then okay.
Yeah.
So if you want to input only some uh, some columns values only,
Mm-hmm.
so you write the name of columns
Mm-hmm.
in bracket after table name.
After table name.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
like roll number comma s name, and after that use values and
Mm-hmm.
input the values.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and if you want to input all values, then
Mm-hmm.
it is optional. So
Mm-hmm.
if you not use it, it is no problem
Mm-hmm.
because you can see here,
Mm-hmm.
because here I want to store the value of all columns. So
Okay.
here I am not specifying the
Mm-hmm.
columns name.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want to store use only particular fields,
Mm-hmm.
so must mention after
Mm-hmm.
table name.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
This is,
Yeah.
it is used to display all records. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a roll number. This is a city.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose I input another records like 106.
Mm-hmm.
And here maybe okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mobile number is also like this. And okay,
Yeah.
and then display all values.
Wow. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah. 6 rows selected.
Yes, 6 rows
Mm-hmm.
selected. If we want to display only some fields like roll number, name, and city.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can write like as select
Mm-hmm.
roll number, comma s name. If
Surname.
yes, if you want to only roll number, then only mention roll number, then from table name.
Table name. Kavita.
Okay, it
Oh.
display only roll
Mm-hmm.
number.
Mm-hmm.
You want to display roll number with s name, so you mention here roll
Mm-hmm.
number comma s name and then press enter. Then it
Oh.
display roll
Mm-hmm.
number and s name.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to also display city,
Mm-hmm.
mention city.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and press enter. Then display roll
Mm-hmm.
number, s name, and city.
Mm.
Understood?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
if suppose you use distinct and bracket, I mention city
Mm-hmm.
and press enter.
Error.
Distinct, yes.
Missing expression. I think we need
Yes, yes.
select
Uh,
star, right?
no, no, no. Star represent all,
Okay.
all records represent,
Okay. Okay.
or all fields.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose if I use the star, so it
Mm-hmm.
display all columns.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, understood? But
Mm-hmm.
I want to display
Mm-hmm.
only city.
Mm-hmm.
You can see here city in two records. Record
Okay.
number one have also
Mm-hmm.
New Delhi and record number 106, roll number 106
Mm-hmm.
also from New Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
So here I use a
Mm-hmm.
distinct city.
Okay.
So distinct city, it's not use a bracket. You can show
Okay.
only
Mm-hmm.
unique records,
Okay.
unique cities,
Mm.
not redundancy. New
Mm-hmm.
Delhi is two times in your records, but it's
Okay.
display only one time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if you want to display unique record, so you
Mm-hmm.
can use distinct.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
and okay,
Mm-hmm.
and you can also apply the condition,
Mm-hmm.
and you can fetch the records on the basis of your condition, your need.
Mm-hmm.
So select star from Kavita, press enter, then display all records. But
Okay.
you want to fetch only uh, some records according to your need.
Mm-hmm.
So you can specify the condition like
Mm-hmm.
where roll number. You can give the condition on the basis of any column like
Okay.
roll number, S name, course, mobile, city. Currently, I am given the condition on the basis of roll number.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here I select star from Ravika where roll number is greater or equal than
Mm-hmm.
103.
Okay.
Okay, then it will display
Mm-hmm.
all records which have roll number more
Mm-hmm.
or equal to 103.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and if you use less than or equal
Mm-hmm.
to 103, then
Mm-hmm.
it will display less
Oh.
than 103,
Mm-hmm.
101, 102, and 103. So
Mm-hmm.
according to your need, you can
Mm-hmm.
specify the condition in
Okay.
where clause. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
And suppose I want to greater or equal than 103
Mm-hmm.
and or
Mm-hmm.
roll number less than 106.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then display all records,
Okay.
because some records have
Mm-hmm.
roll number more than 103 and
Mm-hmm.
some records roll number is less than 106. So all
Okay.
records will be displayed.
Mm-hmm.
If I declare and here, then press enter, then display
Mm-hmm.
few records
Okay.
greater equal than 103
Mm-hmm.
and less than 106. So
Okay.
103, 104, 105, not
Mm.
106 because less than 106.
Less than, yeah.
So according to your specified your condition, it will display records.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And R is equal to then press enter.
Mm-hmm.
I want to display
Uh-huh.
uh, all records
Mm-hmm.
which have roll number one more or equal to 103
Mm-hmm.
or city is equal to New Delhi.
New Delhi.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
103 roll number is greater than 103, but you can see here it also display 101
Okay.
because the city is New Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
So if one condition
Mm.
is true, then it display the records.
Okay.
Understood? Any doubt?
Yeah,
This
I
city,
understand.
this record,
Uh-huh.
is this record have not this record not satisfied first condition 103.
Mm-hmm.
It have roll number 101. It is not more than or equal to 103. It is
Yeah.
less than 103.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but the city name is New Delhi,
Yeah.
so it will display.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
but
I understand.
102
Mm-hmm.
here you can see here 102 is not displayed
Yeah.
because your first condition is roll number is greater equal than 103. That
Mm-hmm.
condition is false. It is less than 103. And
Yeah.
second condition is city is equal to New Delhi,
New
but
Delhi.
102 city is a New York.
Uh-huh.
So both conditions are wrong with
Yeah.
102 records.
Mm-hmm.
It will not display.
Yeah.
But first record
Mm-hmm.
is displayed because roll number is not less than not greater equal than 1303, but the city is New Delhi.
Is New Delhi. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Any confusion? Hello?
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah, I understand, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. If I
Mm-hmm.
declare and, okay,
Mm-hmm.
then press enter. Then it display only one records
Yeah.
because 106 satisfied both conditions. The roll
Mm.
number is more equal than 103 and city is also New Delhi.
Yeah.
So if you are using and, mean all condition must be true.
Yes.
If you are using or,
Mm-hmm.
if, then if only one condition, at least
Mm.
one condition is true, then record will display.
Okay.
But in and, the all
Mm.
condition must be true.
Okay.
Then that record will display. So
Mm.
as your need, as your requirement, you can apply it.
Mm-hmm.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Same as if only city is equal to New Delhi,
Mm-hmm.
then press enter. Then display all records
All
which have
records
city in
and.
New Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Same as you can display like 4 equal to
Mm-hmm.
here. Means
Mm-hmm.
I want to display the list of MBA students.
MBA.
Okay? So select
Mm-hmm.
start from Kavita where course is equal to MBA. Then press enter.
Okay.
There are two students are
Mm-hmm.
from MBA.
Okay.
So according to need, you specify the condition
Mm-hmm.
and it will display according to your condition.
Mm-hmm.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
And I input here R
Mm-hmm.
course is equal to MCA.
Mm.
We are using only single quotation. We
Mm-hmm.
cannot use double quotation.
Okay.
Simple. So
Mm.
these are the list.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If I input here at the place of R,
Mm-hmm.
we use AND.
Mm.
Okay. Then press
Mm-hmm.
enter.
No
No
rows.
row is selected. Why?
Because MBA, MCA are from Kavita, where course is equal to MBA and course is equal to MCA.
Yes. Only
Both
I change it.
are not
Only
taken.
I use at the place of R and.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, both courses they are not taking anyone.
Yes, 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 yes. It cannot be possible.
Mm-hmm.
A student
Mm-hmm.
uh, take admission in both
Mm-hmm.
course
Mm-hmm.
at a
Yeah,
time.
at a time.
So yes. So a column have only single values.
Mm-hmm.
So it is not possible. So it is display not any records.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
And same as can use another thing. Suppose here you can make city is equal to city is equal
Mm-hmm.
to New Delhi. Oh, okay. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not specify or
Oh.
and or not. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
The course is MBA and city is
Mm-hmm.
New Delhi. So
Okay.
it is possible.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. And so these are some examples of and or and where clause.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
And I want to display records in order wise.
Mm-hmm.
So I can use like this order by.
Mm-hmm.
It is used to display the records
Mm-hmm.
order by. Suppose I want to display name
Mm-hmm.
in ascending order.
Okay.
S name order by S name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Display name in ascending order.
Ascending.
Ascending order. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
S name.
Mm-hmm.
Now select star from Kavita order by S name. So
Yes.
name will display in
Mm-hmm.
ascending order.
Yes.
Ajay, Alok, Amit, Anil, Deepak, and
Mm-hmm.
then Ravi.
Ravi.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If I want to display
Mm-hmm.
roll number in ascending order, then 103,
Mm-hmm.
101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If I want to display course,
Descending order. Course.
then course display in ascending order.
Mm-hmm.
BCA, MBA, MBA, MCA.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to display city
Mm-hmm.
in ascending order,
Mm-hmm.
then order by city, then display
Mm.
New Delhi, New Delhi, New Jersey, and after
New
that
York.
New York.
New York.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to display in descending order, so you
Mm-hmm.
can write only DESC.
Oh.
By default, it display in ascending order.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want to display in
This.
descending order, must add DESC and press
Mm-hmm.
enter. It
Yeah.
display in descending order. Like New
Mm-hmm.
York, New Jersey,
Mm.
New Delhi, New Delhi.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose you
Okay.
want to display roll number in descending order.
Mm-hmm.
So roll number DSC. Press enter. So roll number 106, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101.
Mm-hmm.
So roll number display in descending order.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can display any fields in ascending or descending order.
Mm-hmm.
suppose you want to display in ascending order, then
Mm-hmm.
you can also use you add as ASC and press enter.
Mm-hmm.
But by default, it is set in ascending order, so it is optional. You are right or
Oh,
not.
okay.
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 Otherwise, if you want to write, so you can write it.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose S name. Okay. Name
Okay.
display in ascending order. Ajay, Alo, Amit,
Mm-hmm.
Anil,
Mm-hmm.
Deepak, and Ravi.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And if you want to update the values, means
Mm-hmm.
if you want to change the values of records,
Mm-hmm.
so where we can use update command.
Mm-hmm.
So I think you can use select
Okay.
command. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Select,
Mm-hmm.
insert, and create table.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. After that, I try to use update command.
Mm-hmm.
Update command is used to modify the records.
Mm-hmm.
Like suppose I want to update record 104 and 105.
Mm-hmm.
Record it have only roll number and name.
Mm.
But I want to input the course, mobile number, city also.
Mm-hmm.
So I can use update space
Mm-hmm.
table name is okay.
Mm-hmm.
Set course is equal to BBA
Mm-hmm.
where roll number
Mm-hmm.
is equal to 105
Okay.
because I want to modify
Mm-hmm.
the course of 105 roll number.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Enter
Mm-hmm.
one row updated.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to display,
Yeah.
okay, 105 is BPA,
Mm-hmm.
course is BPA, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and suppose update, write update, then table name and set.
Okay.
If you want to set the course, then set course is equal to BPA. If you want to set city,
Mm-hmm.
write
Mm-hmm.
city name like Okay, and roll number is equal to 105.
Mm-hmm.
Then it will change.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
so you can change anything.
Mm-hmm.
You want to change course, city,
Mobile number.
mobile number. Okay, mobile, and give the mobile number. 101, 105.
Mm-hmm.
Where roll number, here you must apply the condition, means while
Okay.
clause, where clause, because if you are not specifying
Mm-hmm.
the condition, then update all records of
Okay.
your table.
Mm.
Okay, so you
Okay.
must specify the condition
Mm-hmm.
like where clause. So
Okay.
I declare here, this updation is apply only on 105.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
press enter. One updated.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Okay.
105 is updated.
Mm-hmm.
Same as you can update 104 or any records
Mm-hmm.
of your table. You can update, use update command,
Mm-hmm.
but always use where clause.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Are you boring?
No, sir.
Your
No,
voice
no.
is very low.
No,
Energy is
no.
very low.
No, no. You are teaching very well. I am understanding everything.
Okay.
And I need some kind of a material like this, like I want to practice
Uh,
assignment like that.
hmm, so okay.
Yeah.
So you create a table
Mm-hmm.
like implied.
Mm-hmm.
Here I create a table like
Mm-hmm.
a student table. Roll
Okay.
number, student name, course, mobile, and city.
Mm.
You can use to create a table like
Mm-hmm.
imply code, imply name, designation, basic,
Mm-hmm.
DHRA, and different things.
Okay.
So after first of all you create the table and
Mm.
which have many fields like imply code, imply
Mm-hmm.
name,
Mm-hmm.
designation,
Mm-hmm.
basic,
Mm-hmm.
DA, HRA, CCA,
Mm-hmm.
gross,
Mm-hmm.
PF,
Mm-hmm.
loan,
Mm-hmm.
net deduction, and net.
Okay.
Okay, I give you question and try
Okay.
it. So okay,
Okay.
you create a table of many fields like email. and at the time of input means insert command, insert into
Mm-hmm.
only in imply code,
Mm-hmm.
imply name, nation, and basic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
But the value of TA
Mm-hmm.
is a 75%
Mm-hmm.
of basic.
Okay.
So you insert only the values of imply code, imply
Mm-hmm.
name, designation, and basic, and the
Mm.
remaining value you put through the update command.
Okay.
Okay, like
Mm.
DA is equal to 75% of basic, HRA is equal to 1500 or 1 minute 55.75%
Mm-hmm.
of basic, and CCA is equal to 1500, and gross is equal to basic plus
Mm-hmm.
DA plus plus and TF is equal to
Mm-hmm.
5% of basic,
Okay.
and loan is equal to 1000, and net deduction is equal to PF plus
Mm-hmm.
loan,
Okay.
and net is equal to gross minus net deduction.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so through the insert command you
Mm-hmm.
input only imply code,
Mm-hmm.
imply name, designation, and basic, and
Okay.
the remaining values like DDA, HRA, CCA, gross, PF, loan, net
Mm.
deduction, net, these
Mm-hmm.
value put through the update commands.
Okay.
Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So create a table
Uh-huh.
and perform these operations.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will meet on tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubt?
Uh, that like select star, like those kind of commands. Like how can I find it? Like through the video, or are you going to send anything?
Uh, you got it automatically.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Like I don't have any notes, so that's why I'm asking.
Okay. 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 So you can see this is a your videos.
Yeah.
This is yesterday video,
Yes, yesterday
and
video.
after, yes, after complete this session you
Uh-huh.
automatically get today's video.
Okay.
So that is available in your Skype.
Okay.
You can see it or you can download it. as you
Oh,
need, as you like, because
mm,
it's only for 30 days.
okay.
So you download it and use always.
Okay. No, I'm asking, is there any material to follow this like to read?
Uh, you can use websites.
Uh-huh.
You can read it.
And
You
Java
can
T
use
point?
Java T-Point. You can use
Okay.
Java T-Point,
Okay.
and okay.
Okay, sir.
So there is available all materials.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
if you have any doubt, then you
Yes,
can
sir.
put the code.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Thank you
any
so
other?
much.
Okay, most welcome. And any problem?
No, sir.
It's okay. Okay.
Yeah, I am
So
good
we
at.
will meet on tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Good night, ma'am. Good night.